My room is hot. Can you send someone from engineering to fix it?
Have your guest ever complained of air conditioning in the room not working? It becomes very uncomfortable in these cases. In this lesson, let us see what all steps we can take to fix the problem. The first and most common cause for AC not cooling is clogged filters. Often just changing the filters in the fan coil unit can solve the issue. If the flow increases, then apologize to the guest for the inconvenience and leave the room. If it does not fix the issue, we will have to take a few additional steps. We must start to fix the issue from outside in. That means first check the thermostat. Make sure the setting is correct. Check the speed and the setting to cool. If the flow resumes, the problem is solved. But if not, all the other tasks will take time. Coordinate with the front office to change the guest room, so that the guest is comfortable. Once the guest has been moved, clean the fan coil unit. Sometimes the fins are clogged and you may need to replace the unit. You must have 1 or 2 fan coil unit in spare in your stores. Also check the setting in the central chiller. Reduce the set point based on the ambient temperature outside. And if nothing seems to work, check if the water is circulating properly or if there are any leaks. You need to take a step-by-step problem solving to ensure the air conditioning issue is sorted in the room. Once it is fixed, clean up the room and return the room back to housekeeping to check. Tell front office to send any apology note to the guest or deal as per your company standard. And that is how you solve the AC not working issue.